This activity is Unbox Montessori stacking activity. This activity is inspired by Pink Tower and the Brown Stair. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use this activity. Okay, so first we'll be using all the cubes. So we are going to take out by one randomly. Don't place it in the sequence. This material can be used as a stacking material. The child come to know the concrete. He is going to experience his hand, the largest to the smallest. So like that you can teach him the superlative and comparative degree by giving the name. So you can give the name lessons. From this you can ask, which is the largest cube among this? The child will point out here. Which is the smallest cube among this? Which is the largest cube among this? Which is the smallest cube among this? Which is the largest cube among this? So you can keep on going, giving the name larger than, smaller than. There are so many other names. Now this is another activity. These are called cuboid. So again we are going to do the stacking activity. Same way we are going to arrange things randomly. Don't keep it in the sequence. Don't keep it in the order. So just place it the way you want. Now I'm going to look for the thickest one. Here you are going to introduce the language thickest and the thinnest. Okay, so we are going to see which is the thickest. Child will take the next one. When you do it each time, just keep your hand here because alignment. Usually you don't have to do it straight because the child has to understand this dimension and this dimension. The focus is like this. So try keep it little slightly this way, in this direction. Don't keep it straight. I'm using actually the Montessori name. You can use, it's your choice whether you can use as a stacking activity or you can see the brown stair. Now I'm going to find the similar dimension over here. I'm going to place this cube here. See? So this is child's own creativity, basically understanding the dimension. Concrete way is a hands-on learning. He's going to use his muscular strength. He's going to understand the dimension. He's going to understand what is actually mean thick and what is actually mean thin, what is actually mean large, what is actually mean small. He's actually looking at it. So it's so simple for a child to understand the concept. Okay. So I'm going to show you that's one more way. You can keep the pink tower aside. Now child can do the stacking this way also. There are multiple ways of stacking.